Welcome back to Ginger Sadie's Crafts. I'm Mercedes. If you like quick and easy craft and DIY projects, then you're in the right place. I use items mostly from the Dollar Tree, but you can find similar items at Hobby Lobby, Walmart, Michael's, thrift stores, or sometimes even garage sales. Today I have a super fun video for you guys, a little bit special. I went to Michael's and got the $5 grab bags. Thumbnail. So, I got 3 of them, so we're going to crack into these bad boys and see what I got. This is the first time I've ever done this, so I'm super excited. If you don't know, after the end of most of the seasons, like Easter, Valentine's Day, Christmas, etc., they put all the items that they don't sell into big bags or boxes, and then they sell them for $5, which is a steal. And you never know what you're going to get, so I've never been able to get these before because the nearest Michael's, here this is, like 30 minutes away from me, and I don't get down there very often. So I was out yesterday because it was my birthday, and my husband took me to Michael's because it wasn't far from where we had our my birthday lunch. And so I picked up what they had, and let's see what we got. So let's see. First piece here is a small mailbox, and it was $4.99. Got another one in white. Got a felt banner kit. Countdown to Valentine's Day. A lot of stuff in here. Some love gift bags. A giant tinsel heart. Tease! There's a lot of stuff in here. A love bakeware mold. Let's see, what are these? St. Patty's Day lollipop kits. Some St. Patrick's Day ribbon. The shamrocks are really cute. Oh, look at these little shamrock molds. Oh, these are cute. It says, be kind. Oh, I like that. And another be kind. Some plates. Another tinsel heart. Blue. Some more ribbon. Some more shamrock ribbon. Wow, this bag, it just keeps going. Oh, these are cute little shamrock ornaments. Another love bakeware piece. Ooh, this one's hearts. Some more treat sacks. Some shaker card kit. Oh, this will be fun. I like that. Oh, this is really pretty. Another card kit. Let's see. Oh, that'll be fun. I love card making kits. Kindness is magic. Little decorator kit. A little octopus. What is this? A memory explosion box. That's fun. There's a lot of stuff. Some more goodie bags. And whatever I don't use, I will give to my friends and family and neighbors so it won't go to waste. Ooh, this is cool. It's like an octopus Valentine's Day box. Some napkins. And we're still not done yet, guys. And this is the first box. First bag. Another box. Some more treat sacks. Oh, these are super cute. Look at these little gift bags. All right, I'm running out of room here. Love is kind. All right, I think I'm just going to have to start piling stuff on the floor. Another kindness is magic. Some more napkins. Oh, some cute cups. Oh, that's a really pretty ribbon. I like that one. More shamrock ribbon. Ooh, what are these? Light up. Lights up. Oh, look at that. Oh, I have a friend's daughter that I think will love these. Oh yeah, I'm going to send them to her. And that is the end of the first bag. So let me get all this stuff, all this stuff out of the way so we can open up bags number 2 and 3. It's like an explosion in here, guys. All this cool stuff. Would you guys be interested in a giveaway of some of the items that are in these bags that I don't want? If you are, comment down below and let me know if you're interested in a giveaway. And I will be more than happy to do a big giveaway box full of a bunch of items that I won't be using to share the love with you guys. So let me know. So here is bag number 2, numero dos. Believe it or not, I actually do speak some Spanish. My grandfather's Puerto Rican. I don't look it. I know, but trust me, I am. Here is another red box. Another red box. I should probably do the prices. So those $4.99. Like I said, each of these bags is only $5. And here's another one that was $4.99. Lollipop kit, that was $4.99. Another box. Some bags. Also, let me know, do you want me to total up everything that was in these bags and give you guys like a total value of what was in these 3 bags that I only paid $15 for? Well, let me know down below too. Some more Love is Kind. Some really pretty ribbon. Lots of goodie bags in here. Okay, I have lots of friends and neighbors with kids. Here's some more. Got some of the box gift sets. Oh, look at this one with the puppy dog. These ones were $4.99. Gonna need a big box to carry all this stuff in. Oh, that's really pretty. Glitter ribbon. Sorry, I keep reaching down. Some more ornaments. If I bring the bag up here, go through it a little bit faster. Some more of the box sets here. Another dog. Some more Love is Kind goodie bags. Those were $2.99. Got some more of those in here. Some more of the little make your own box kits. Oh guys, look. Gnome ribbon. I don't know if you can see it. They're little Valentine's Day gnomes. How cute is that? Oh, I got 2 of them. Not Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day. Some ribbon, some more ribbon, and the ribbon was $3.99. The shamrock ribbon. Kind of a lot of the same items in these bags. These are just some more of the gift bags. Some more of those. Wow, there's a lot. Oh, this is cool. What is this? Table cover. Oh, that's cool. $3.99. Some more make your own boxes. Oh, look at that one. Another octopus one. Some more bags. Some more bags. Some more ornaments. Some more ribbon. Oh, wow. Check it out. There is a whole bunch of these light up toys. Woo-hoo-hoo. I know some very happy children I can gift these to. Look at all those. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And they're $4.99 each. Some more ornaments. Some more gift bags. Be kind. I love the be kind. I think I'm going to keep those and just give out random gifts to people. Some more be kind. Some more ribbon. Another one of those. Some more shamrock ribbon. Some more shamrock ribbon. And the last bag. Ta-da! Thumbnail. More boxes. More boxes. Another felt banner. This is actually cool though. It comes with a bunch of little hearts, so I could probably do something with that other than a countdown calendar. Some more ornaments. Some more ornaments. Ooh, what are these? Wow. Oh, look at this. It's a cupcake stand. And that was $9.99. And then, ooh, a charcuterie board set. Look at that, guys. And look, it comes with all these goodies in the back. Oh, that'll be fun. Might have to throw a Valentine's Day party. A ton more gift bags. More lollipop kit. Ooh, what are these? Paint with water. Oh, hold on. Sorry about that. I fell a little close to Tina. She's like, I want some bags. So these are fun. They're all little decorate kits. What is this? Oh, a bracelet craft kit. Oh, that's pretty. Some more ribbon. A lot more bags. And more bags. And more bags. Another kindness is magic. Another memory explosion box. That's fun. Oh, pick this up a little bit now. Some more decorate box kits. Some more of these light up. Oh, that one doesn't light up. How sad. More decorate your box kits. More boxes. Some napkins. More bags. Ooh, look at this. Little decorate, paint your own unicorn. Hey, knock it off. They see Dougal out. They want to play. Decorate your box kit. Oh, here's a new one. You make me happy. A little paint decorating kit. Some more ribbon. More ribbon. A whole bunch more bags. It's bag-tastic. Decorate your box kit. Oh, look at these. These are just fun little color your own ornaments. It says Happy Valentine's Day. Got a bunch of those. Oh, what is this? Aww. Acid-free fold-out card. Oh, that's really sweet. I might have to make one of those for my friends. Some more decorate your own craft kits. At the bottom here. Another bracelet. That one lights up. Some more pretty ribbon. Look at the nose. This is a necklace kit. How fun is that? Some more shamrock ribbon. Getting down to the end here. Another Kindness is Magic. Another necklace craft kit. And I think that's all she wrote, folks. So, a bunch of stuff. A lot of similar, same items, but that's okay. I only paid 15 bucks for all of this stuff. Comment down below. Let me know what was your favorite find in the $5 grab bag. And also don't forget, let me know. Do you want me to do a giveaway? I can do like a Valentine's Day one, and I can do a St. Patrick's Day one. Comment down below and let me know if you would be interested in that. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel, and it's totally free. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I'm so close to 300 subscribers, and I really want to do a giveaway. Also, comment down below and let me know if you want that grand total of everything that was in here. I could total that up. It might take me a little bit to do so. And yeah, I think that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys back on Friday for our regular scheduled programming of another couple of craft projects. And I hope you guys have a great day. And until then, goodbye. Oh, sorry, I got to click this off.